platform, it actually does integrate it pretty seamlessly. Under your connection screen, you'll actually have every single connection that's on the server itself. So it'll be like 1 gig, your internet port, 1 gig. Sometimes if you have a custom card in there, like you might even have like a Wi-Fi port, but generally it's 1 gig and then 10 gigs that are listed underneath. And if you have like team connections, a little advanced talk here, there'll be like 20 or 40 gig connections underneath there. So it's pretty seamless on the interface, and then it'll show you what's connected and what's not. And then you'll definitely see a huge performance between each workstation and the server itself. It is limited to depending on what kind of drives you have and how many drives you have. Or you'll notice a big difference between 1 gig and 10 gig. It's how would you say, Taylor, like 10, not even tenfold really.
Yeah, so the main difference is even to like a single SAS hard drive, right? A 1 gig connection is a bottleneck to that single drive. To any RAID set, your 1 gig connection is going to be, easily a 6 to 8 times your bottleneck. So if you add a 10 gig connection, you're basically just removing the bottleneck of that 1 gig, and you're opening yourself up to, easily the full performance of your storage system, depending on how many disks you have. That could be something like 400 megabytes per second as opposed to the 100 you're getting, or somewhere in the range of like 800 to 1,000.